Have you been diagnosed with azoospermia and the only option you think is a donor sperm? So it is not like that. See, whenever you are diagnosed with azoospermia, there are number of tests and investigations which are advised to you. That is, few hormonal tests are done like serum LH, serum FSH, serum testosterone, serum prolactin, and your ultrasound scrotum is advised. So after doing investigations, we try to know that what is the reason of this azoospermia. So there may be obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. So in cases of obstructive azoospermia, we have very good and very high chances of getting your own sperms from the testes by doing a procedure TISA, that is testicular extraction of sperms. So in this procedure, by putting a very small needle inside the testes, the fluid is aspirated, and in that fluid the small tubules comes, and in those tubules the sperms are searched. So many times in obstructive azoospermia, it is a very high percentage that we get sperms in that sample. And also in cases of non-obstructive azoospermia, still we can do TISA and we can try to find out sperms in the testicular sample. And in many cases, when we do not get sperms in TISA, so there is one higher procedure, that is micro-TISA. In that, the incision is given on the testes and we try to find out the tubules in which we have higher tendency to get these sperms. And if we get sperms out of that sample, we use that sperm for the ICSI of the eggs, and you can have your own genetical baby. So if in your report it has been diagnosed that azoospermia is there, you don't need to lose hope, because after doing some investigation, we still have chances of getting sperms from your body. Thank you.